YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? So today is the next day, man. Y'all already seen the donor car yesterday, man. Y'all seen we fully gutted that thing interior wise. We didn't gut the under the hood and nothing like that. But anyway, man, as you can see right here, man, we got the dash out. We got the Chrysler dash. I wish we could still use the Chrysler dash, but we can't with the swap, man. We gonna have to put the charger stuff inside. This is one of the cleanest donors I ever seen. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm talking about exterior, don't got not one dent, one scratch, one nothing, bro. You won't see nothing on here, gang. Nothing is wrong with this car. Interior, there was nothing wrong with this car. Fully gutted, man, as y'all can see right here. Back seats out, front seats out, dash out, cluster out, everything out, man. So, got the panoramic roof. Like, look at the liner. Look at the headliner, y'all. It's clean as hell. Like, some carpets was clean. Everything was clean with this donor car right here, man. So, this is a crazy pickup on my boy King, man. My boy said he got this for $2,500 on COPART, man. COPART, $2,500 for a whole Chrysler 300 shell, bro. This is actually insane. Like I said, we gonna fully gut both cars, man, and then we gonna get this swap going, man. We gonna put the Hellcat in the Chrysler 300, and we finna get this thing cracking, bro. I need 600, no, I need 700 likes. I ain't gonna lie to you. I need 700 likes on this video, cuz 700 likes on this video, and y'all getting the full experience. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna get my hands dirty. No.
Go to the truck. Oh, change your plans, huh, Chad? I'm suing. If I got no,
This nigga.
I got no insurance. Stopping that bitch with his foot.
All right, y'all. So y'all see we in a little trouble right here. Trying to get this thing down the hill, but no steering wheel. All right, man. What's the plan, King, man? Plan 2.
Okay. We're gonna put it on the chain, pull it forward, turn the wheel to the right,
Uh-huh.
and just let it roll back down.
Let it roll down the hill.
Jesus! What the It's a Ram truck. They got the big ass TRX screen in there.
I'm scared. All right, man. This boy swap guy done got his shit all together, man. Rolling it down the hill, bro.
No! God! No! God, please, no! No!
That was smart thinking, though. Like,
Shout out to the pole. Hey, man,
like,
you a real
like,
that
that was no. I would have hesitated. I would have hesitated. I'm not gonna lie.
Panicking because dog ain't know what to do.
Nigga, I was gonna get up and hop in that bitch.
Dog was about to jump behind the car and try to stop it with his brain.
Hercules.
All right, though. Real talk,
That
though.
was some quick ass thinking,
Real talk,
though.
though. We are in like a pickle right now.
No, dead ass though.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, man. We almost got it down here at the bottom. Swap guy getting us right now. All right, y'all. My boy King, I got it down here, bro. They already getting started. About to get this.
Are y'all ready? Hellcat motor. It's on. Y'all ready?
Niggas, bro. Dusty as fuck.
Y'all, he lied to y'all. He didn't get a Hellcat.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Bro, tell him what you really did. Bought a V6 and we about to put a cam in his.
I'm about to take the 5.7 of my 5.7 and put it in this. Look, that motherfucker said, shut your ass up, nigga.
Hey, ball don't lie.
All right, y'all, as y'all can see, man. Got King, got Jay, got Drew, got Sean, goddamn stripping this thing for you, boy.
Me too, bro. No, me
You
too,
ain't
bro.
doing. That's why I ain't say
I
your
just
name. You
literally
not
did
doing
the
a fucking
bumper.
thing,
I
bro.
just did the bumper, bro. You did just
Say
my
on
name.
God, you did a bumper. Monkey. So y'all, we got you on the tripod right now, man. Now we about to strip the rest of this motherfucking engine in the goddamn V6 Chrysler real quick, man. I don't know what I'm doing, King. Get me together, gang. Get me together, man. By the end of this video, man, everything should be gone in both cars. Hey, we finna get this shit cracking.
Hold on, man. You can tell Chat that you got 3 300s with 3 cracked windshields.
Ooh. They just got a cracked windshield? Damn.
So you know what I'm gonna do?
And I'm not getting them fixed.
You know
Every
what
time I
I'm
get it fixed, it crack
I'm gonna
again.
take a bat and I'm gonna just break all 3 windows on all 3 cars because what you did to my car.
I'm putting the clip right there, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like it was even the same though. Cause the window was only 200. My tires was only
That's how you
200.
know my
Take the what out?
Core support.
Core support.
Right there.
Okay, say this.
Gotcha. Hold on.
I don't know what I'm doing in this
Go ahead,
bitch.
put this on there real quick.
Other side too?
Right here. Dog working, bro.
I have to get right.
Yeah, he said he's gonna kill like that. Go right here. This right there. That's pretty much almost all those.
Oh, no, you looking through? Cool. Dre, what you got going on, man?
I'm under this motherfucker fighting for my life, nigga. Man, bro, I ain't got no hurt protection, so my dreads getting
Dirty as
fuck that, nigga. I'm rolling over these bitches. I've been head getting pulled back.
Hey, I sure forgot you was here, dude. Dude, sleep under that bitch. So niggas get to swap and niggas talking about they could dance, bro. What dance is you finna do, bro?
I think I want to what?
What song is that, Chet?
You know, I call this shit OB. It's just what they music shit.
No.
Okay.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
So what's so different between the red eye and the Hellcat, the supercharger, ain't it? That's the only thing.
It's 0.3 bigger.
Wow. And they give it hell no extra horsepower.
1 day later.
Lucky, boy.
What happened?
I straight got these bitches up.
Damn.
You know these be them.
No cap, man. So y'all, we unplugged everything. Well, I didn't. Keem unplugged everything. Everything on hook, man. So we finna pull this thing out right now. Finna set up on the tripod real quick. But Chrysler 300 is fully stripped, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Spam the W's in the chat, man. Okay.
All these y'all do for me. Y'all can pull these down on each side. Pull it forward.
Got this thing fully out, man. So now it's only one thing to do left, man. Put that big motherfucker in here, man. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, just wanted to show y'all everything is fully stripped on the Chrysler, bro. Interior. Fully stripped as well, man. Clean completely out, man. I'm pretty sure they're gonna put the wire harness from the Hellcat in here soon. And dog gonna finally get his hands really dirty putting the engine in, man. I know I keep saying that shit. I be capping y'all niggas, but
Man, this is big
bruh, I'm taking it in, bruh. Taking it in, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all see what's officially going on, man. I ain't gonna lie, on this video right here, bro, I need 700 likes, man. 700 likes to put the Hellcat engine inside the Chrysler 300, man. 1,000? Little bro said 1,000, bro. 1,000 likes. We should be able to get it, y'all. Like, come on, gang. We finna put the Hellcat in the Chrysler, man.
I'm trying to get your way, bro.
Nah, you good, you good. Kevin, what you doing back here, bro?
Working, man.
Working, man.
Get this out the way, man.
Say less, man. Finna get this shit cracking, bro. Shout out to the guys, man. We got the shell back here as well. The Hell Kizzy Philly strip, man. If y'all want to buy it, man, hit up my boy Keem. All right, y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm finna show y'all some footage of Keem and Stepper stripping out the Hellcat completely, bro. And I couldn't be there with him. I'm so sorry, I ain't gonna lie. Your boy Dog be working 10, 12-hour shifts every day. And them boys ain't gonna wait on me. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it'll take us 2 months to swap this car if we waiting for me the whole time. You know what I'm saying? So them boys went ahead and go strip the Hellcat and everything like that. They got some footage, so here it is right here.
I'm weak as hell.
I was shit talking over there in the shadows.
It's between one of y'all two.
I was shit talking over there in the shadows about y'all.
It's between one of y'all two. I know I'm third now.
Easy replace this shit, man.
You said pull it up.
Hell no, I ain't saying cool nothing.
Y'all know the vibe, man. You know what I'm saying? We can too.
Should I make this into like one long YouTube video or should I make it to like sections?
Long videos.
Hang on. Keep it natural on video. You know, I do the little editing though. Most of them don't even have editors, do they? What you think about? Dang, why you got this thing at the door?
You can plug it.
I never plugged it back up, man.
Plug it in.
Man, wait a second, we gotta get this motor moved around first. Do me a favor.
Move them up.
Move them around the top.
All right. Go ahead.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, show them how I get them things down.
Oh.
You say move it up?
For around the shock. So push it up and lift the shock out.
Yeah.
Are you good right there?
I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I can do it, anybody can, bro. It took me only 2 months to learn this. You lame as hell. That's type of
Why you pointing behind his head like like a white person or something?
Are you gonna do that?
This motherfucker got some weight on it. These cats, man, I can take this off now.
Look. I'm gonna pull from the shock. Jay pulled from right, and you pull right here. Just get it out a little bit. You got nothing wrong?
Yeah, the manifold right there.
Oh shit, I ain't see that shit. So yeah, he put up them up in front of the manifold right there.
You ain't no light.
Nigga, that straight pipe thought he back. So if they trying to make long swoop headers or some shit, put the light in there, Jay.
Sure.
Look at this shit, y'all. This what the do to a Hellcat is us. This shit is loud.
Yeah, boys, you know
Bro,
what
I
I'm saying?
wonder if that's they was trying to make it kind of careless.
Yeah, it's the X-Pipe.
Like X pipe down there, nigga. I'm talking right here. Long, they was making, they went careless mids, mid pipes. Cause this motherfucker fast or not? What's the fuck going on? Oh shit, that bitch leaning back.
Go all the way to the left with it. Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going. Drop it, Jay. Go up. Drop it, go.
Hold on. Make sure that shit getting stuck right here. Can you jack it up, gang?
Where the hammer goes, Jay?
I just seen him up on the ground somewhere. It's somewhere to the left over here. You see it? When you push it forward now?
What is that thing?
Oh, right in the back. Who can grab it? Shit be going on, man. to pause the motherfucker real quick, y'all. We can get this shit taken out. I'm gonna come back to y'all when this motherfucker out. Motor out. Now that you get out, y'all see the dry shaft. Jane our face looking stupid and shit. He's trying to figure out what I'll do.
Nah, I see it.
There you go, man. Just next time, just slow
Once I
down.
unloaded and ripped off the period bearing.
Yeah, you. Man, put your pants up, bro.
What you talking about?
You.
Well, you be your ass.
Yeah, I'm saying it's YouTube, though, bro.
Bro.
Come on, gang. Motherfuckers say some shit you don't like on YouTube. Say, hey, that dark skinned dude, I'm trying to take him through there. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, bro. Like, who could say something like that, bro?
Let's get straight into the video. If y'all don't want to, we probably gonna sell it back to auction. I ain't gonna lie. But you got a clean title Hellcat right here, bro. The rims is under there and everything like that, bro. But this thing is fully gutted, man. But man, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Showing love on the videos and shit like that, bro. Make sure y'all follow me on IG too, man. I'm gonna follow some of y'all back, bro. And I'm gonna see y'all next video, man. 1,000 likes, simple.